like afternoon to night market, walking street, mainly food, hot food, some salads and fruit. So we're on the northwest side, on the outskirts and like the suburbs of Bangkok, but like we're all of the people that basically go home every day. And this is one of the areas they come to eat after they get off the train and out of their car or scooter. And so it's pretty busy, especially right now, 6 o'clock. Anyway, we just ate some awesome food. Just what's cool, you just get a variety.
Yeah, this is one of the things that I had, a Roy. Yeah, Bang Yai is a little outside the box, but it's a local type of walking street and food stall area, and there's a lot of shopping in there. So if you want some good local food, I think it's worth the trek over there.
Oh, your favorite. Bugs.
And if you guys stick around to the end, I'll tell y'all more about what's in this area near the train.
Got a big wok going on. What are we cooking in here? Pad Thai, fresh Pad Thai. So there you go. See Pad Thai? That's Pad Thai. And they use the tamarind sauce. It's already mixed up. She got it mixed up already with the tamarind. Pad Thai noodle. And this is, of course, pork belly and pork butt and head, and then they have this little spicy sauce over here they serve with it. Pretty good. Anyway, kind of stuff. It makes you a little salad, Thai salad, and you just like pick what you want. So you pick the ingredients you want and then mix it up in a little bowl over here. So you see they're mixing it right now over here. Bum bum bum. English. All right, they're wondering where I'm from, I guess. So we're actually outside of the tourist area in the main city, busy area of Bangkok. So they don't see a lot of Westerners and white dudes up here. So just you know, they don't care, but some of them, they're not used to seeing us or hearing us, and it's interesting to them, I guess, sometimes. All right. They want to talk to me, ask them where I'm from, but anyway, and some of the questions I don't want to talk about. That's why I come here, to escape all that. Yay.
I mean, most people, for the most part, in Thailand and Southeast Asia, they're very friendly and very hospitable, and I've had nothing but a good experience.
Well, look at this fish, and they rub it down like salt, and then they grill it, and then they stuff it. If you can see inside in here, they stuff it with like lemongrass and other herbs inside the mouths of the fish. And so when you see it's got the herbs, and then they serve that with it, like there's Thai basil, but inside the fish, I think it's lemongrass and like garlic stem and stuff like that. Okay, next. Oh, a little bean salad. Oh, there's some more of what I like. That stuff over there. What did it say? Some tam. Alright, keep going. And of course you got your periodically regular clothing shops and other shops on the other side. I haven't even been able to do that. There's so much. Just I haven't been able to get everything. Oh, look, that looks good. Well, that looks like there's a little bit of Chinese culture mixed in here and there, so you'll notice that. It's okay, there's nothing wrong with that, but you'll see it, and that was like a Chinese type soup. Over. There's some more of my stuff that I like. So this is stuff that I like. What they do is they take this ball, and it's basically grilled rice. She puts in the bowl, she asks you how hot you want, and then they mix it with ginger and spring onion, and then they have the red onion. And this is the Thai sausage. It's kind of sour, but it's really good. And then of course over here, I think that's shaved galanga. It's like, you know, galanga tastes, they use it for curry, but they also put salads. And then she mixes it all together. And this is like pork fat, and then I think, or something like that. And then mix it all together, and then you eat it. like with a salad, and they put a little fish sauce. It's good. I like it. All right, keep on going. Ooh, selling lotto tickets. You see them? Lotto tickets. Those are Thai lotto tickets. They have salesmen all over the place. They don't do it like they do where we're from in the store through a digital thing. They sell. Okay. Whoa, look at that. Chicky. Looks good. Good chicky. Look, it looks really fresh. They just cooked it. Wow, look at this. All this awesome food. America, we're doing it wrong, man. And we got to pay a lot of money to get awesome food. And then even then, it's crabby doing it, wrong sometimes. You gotta look around real hard there. Anyway, depending on what city you're in. Oh, you got a little sausage on a stick. You got fish ball. So like this is beef over here. This one's pork, I think. This one's fish, and they put the sauce on it. Of course, hot dog. This one is kind of like a hot dog beef. I think this is more of a chicken hot dog. But there you go, boom. Oh, you got little pancakes with wrap. Oh, pig in a blanket. Pig in a blanket. Go figure. Bananas. And then the little ones taste a little bit more sour, but they're good when they're grilled like that. I just had a stick of them with melted cane sugar. It was awesome. All right, we're gonna move on. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys that this is a thing here, but I don't do sushi at street food. And there's no ice under that. So whatever. But, it's probably fine if you're used to it. Okay. So these are, what do you call it?
I had a brain fart. Takoyaki, stupid.
Tanaki, whatever. They're originally the octopus balls, but they got crab stick, seaweed in there, cheese in there. They fry them up. You see them? We're going to put some seaweed on it, some bonita flake. It's pretty good stuff. They go to the extreme, and it's like me. I'm a fusion cook. I like to change recipes and make them better. You know what that is, boys and girls? It is sugar cane, and then she got juice. Look at that, and she's got the juice. And then she got was it durian? Is it durian or jackfruit? I get confused. No, it's jackfruit because you can tell the spikes are different. If it was durian, I'd be able to probably smell it. Sorry, but it does stink a little bit. What else we got over here? What is this guy doing? What? It's like a bun. Oh, it's a bun. It's like a bun. He's doing it right there. He's making a bun for you and putting it on the grill. You usually have these like pre-made, and you see they steam them. Well, he's doing one right there, a fresh bun. I don't know what's inside though. Oh, he's gonna give you just some juice or some sauce or something. All right, we're gonna move over here. More? No, maybe not. Keep going. And you see, look at it. It's mild traffic. Look at this, just mild. You people in LA and New York and Atlanta are used to this stuff. You see, look at this, just mild. Oh yeah, don't run me over. Yeah, just mild. Oh, just scooters and cars and trucks and everything just going everywhere. I think we're back. You know what I mean? We're almost back here. It's about gone back to, at least for them, back to normal. Whoa, man, look at this, just everything. And this whole street, we just walked down. It's like 2 football fields. And then we still got more. We're going this way. Oh, look at that. So you can just take it in the little bag. It's ready to go, and they give you rice if you want it. See, there's sticky rice. You got boiled eggs on a stick, and then what they do is they drain the yolk out, put it in a bowl, and they stir it up with like some kind of like soy sauce. Then they put it back in the egg, and then they put it on the grill, or they boil it, and there it is right there. Boom. It's kind of cool. They taste good too. They're pretty good. All right. Oh, look at that stuff. Oh, Dorian. So there you go. There's your people. If you like it, there it is right there. Yeah, that's for you people who like it. Oh, and this one is certain types of salads they're making. With that, you add the meat. So it's seafood. like sometimes salad. All right, we're back over here. Grandma selling stuff, all kinds of stuff. I don't know, I'm gonna cut this off. It's starting to get lengthy. And then you come in here and you go underneath. We were in here earlier and they got little tables and everybody kind of just works together and they all have like a stall, but it's blended kind of. And these are more stalls in here, more food. So you can't go wrong here. There's something for everybody, people. Hopefully I don't have to edit this too much, but I'm thinking about starting to make videos again. I'm able to travel again. Yay! Okay, see you later. Bye-bye. Signing off from Southeast Asia.
Oh, by the way, on the other side of the train station on the Purple Line, there's a Big C, a Home Pro, an Ikea, a Central Plaza, and a mall. Here's a shot of it right here. Like I said, it's on the MRT Purple Line. There's a movie theater. There is Harborland. And if you're coming from Chuchuk or Bangsu, you're going to come from right here, go to Tapun Station, if I'm saying it right, and make your way over this cool walking street. I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, and share the video.